back to another video. Today I'm headed to Yiannimize and it's time to wrap the GT3RS in the color that has been chosen. I'm hoping that it's going to look really good. Yanni stepped up his YouTube filming equipment, maybe not, so it's going to be a little bit different day and not a normal drop-off. But yeah, enjoying the car for a little bit before I obviously head to Kenya. So make sure you guys are going to be subscribed for some really cool videos, property videos, and some other just fun chilled holiday videos as well. But as I said, heading to Yiannimize now, should be there in about 30 minutes or so, and confirm on the color, film something special, and then there'll be time to head back. But yeah, really looking forward to it. Going to enjoy it now in the color, a little bit in the sun before it does change. So it's a bit sad to see the orange go, but at the same time really excited about the new color. So I don't know if you guys want to put your last guesses in now what it's going to be. Might even do a prize if somebody guesses it correctly. In fact, I will do a prize. If someone guesses it bang on correctly, I will give a prize away. I'll figure out what it is, I don't know, but leave something in the comments below about what you think the color is going to be. So anyway, headed there now, and I will join you when I'm there. The car is dropped off now. There you can see it behind. Obviously done a little bit of secret filming. More details from Yanni, obviously, when the time comes for him to reveal certain things. But the car is there. It's the last time you're going to see it in lava orange. But check that over there. New kind of Bentley with a red color. Looks amazing. Really nice. Almost like a paint, to be honest. What else is here? They got quite a nice urban Evoque as well. Of course, you know the S-Class is here to take me home, luckily. Otherwise, I'll be stranded here. It's not a bad thing because they've got some cool cars in there inside. Might show you a little sneak peek. But like I said, that's it. It is time for them to wrap it. Hopefully, you guys are going to like the color once it's done. It's going to be completely different. So it's going to be fun. Anyway, I'll show you a little bit inside, and then yeah. Done. Cars behind me there. They're going to start prepping it now. Obviously they're still filming and doing a few other bits as well, but it is time to head off now. So just a short video, a little update. Hopefully you guys are going to enjoy the new color, which is coming back very soon. So should have it within the next week or two when I come back from Kenya. So make sure you guys are subscribed, like the video if you enjoyed it. Remember, comment. I might do a little prize giveaway if somebody guesses it perfectly right. So anyway, see you guys soon. Remember to subscribe, like the video. Bye.